Hello and welcome to Bolani Public School YouTube channel. This video is for class 7 English. So now let's start page number 9, formation of abstract noun. Please go through the first video. This is second video, formation of abstract noun. Look page number 9, form verbs. We form abstract nouns by adding different suffixes. Form verbs by adding ment. Okay. Achieve, achievement. Enjoy, enjoyment. Govern, government. Announce, announcement. Disappoint, disappointment. Invest, investment. Treat, treatment. Employ, employment. Agree, agreement. Advertise, advertise, advertisement. Punish, punishment. Please remember this. Now by adding ance, okay, attend, attendance. Enter, entrance. Ignore, ignorance. Perform, performance. Insure, insurance. Resist, resistance. Okay. Now by adding ence, depend, dependence. Refer, reference. Infer, inference. Exist, existence. Occur, occurrence. Prefer, preference. Now by adding al, try, try, trial. Remove, removal. Arrive, arrival. Dismiss, dismissal. Propose, proposal. Refuse, refusal. Withdraw, withdrawal. Then by adding sion, admit, admission. Compel, compulsion. Decide, decision. Provide, provision. Permit, permission. Extend, extension. Submit, submission. Explode, explosion. Divide, division. Now page number 10, by adding tion, act, action. Admire, admiration. Collect, collection. Correct, correction. Prevent, prevention. Construct, construction. Cultivate, cultivation. Inspect, inspection. Declare, declaration. Now by adding y, assemble, assembly. Discover, discovery. Enquire, enquiry. Flatter, flattery. By adding ure, depart, departure. Close, closure. Press, pressure. Fail, failure. Now by adding age, carry, carriage. Post, postage. Marry, marriage. Waste, wastage. Pack, package. Break, breakage. Pass, passage. By adding t or th, complain, complaint. Wait, grow, growth. Die, death. Form adjectives by adding ness, ness. Bitter, bitterness. Eager, eagerness. Weak, wickedness. Heavy, heaviness. Busy, busyness. Happy, happiness. Selfish, selfishness. Great, greatness. By adding ity, active, activity. Generous, generosity. Moral, morality. Punctual, punctuality. Visible, visibility. Probable, probability. Human, humanity. Now come to page number 11, by adding ance or ence, absent, evidence. Ignorant, ignorance. Absent, absence. Patient, patience. Diligent, diligence. Obedient, obedience. Resident, residence. Innocent, innocence. By adding cy, ry, ty, accurate, accuracy. Frequent, frequency. Urgent, urgency. Brave, bravery. Certain, certainty. decent decency, private privacy, vacant vacancy, poor poverty, anxious anxiety. Now from nouns, by adding HOOD, boy boyhood, brother brotherhood, girl girlhood, child childhood, father fatherhood, sister sisterhood, woman womanhood. By adding SHIP, friend friendship, dictator dictatorship, member membership, owner ownership, king kingship, partner partnership. By adding age, bond bondage, parent parentage, pilgrimage, usage. By adding CY, agent agency, infant infancy, vacant vacancy. Now page number 12. C. Make abstract noun from the following verbs by adding MENT or TION. First one, ARGUE, argue. Answer is argument. Second, impress, impression. Third, express, expression. 4, appoint, appointment. 5, engage, engagement. 6, agree, agreement. 7, protect, protection. 8, invent, invention. Okay. Now D. Give 3 abstract nouns belonging to each of the following categories. First one, that is CY, urgency, privacy, accuracy. AGE, postage, passage, package. SION, admission, decision, conclusion. ANCE, ignorance, performance, guidance. URE, closure, pressure, failure. NESS, goodness, greatness, business. ITY, activity, reality, rigidity. SHIP, friendship, ownership, membership. Then TY, loyalty, poverty, cruelty. Now come to number E. Make abstract nouns from the following adjectives by adding TH or ITY. First one, that is deep, 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 depth. Equal, equality, humble, humility, true, truth, long, length, visible, visibility, special, speciality, wide, width. F. Fill in the blanks with suitable abstract noun from the help box. He left Kuwait after Iraq's invasion of the kingdom. Number 2. Many people mistake politeness for timidity. Number 3. The desk of the winning team at the station was grand affair. The reception. Number 4. The patient undergoing test at the new hospital near the market, undergoing treatment. Number 5. The discovery of the truth about his real identity shocked everybody. Now in the page number 13, number 6. I can accept defeat but cannot tolerate cowardice. Number 7. The main desk of the city is fountain in front of the town hall. The main attraction of the city is the fountain in front of the town hall. Number 8. If you not filled with desks, you can't discover anything. If you are not filled with curiosity. Number 9. The departure of the train is at 4 p.m. from New Delhi. Number 10. The laughter of the children could be heard from the main gate.